Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at the connections game. 16 clues and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. What are we going to start with today? A chandelier, a counter, a cabinet and a crunch. We've got a whole range of C words there. Countertop. Is a counter sort of like a plank or a board? They're all... okay, so these are all just bits of wood, aren't they? I'm not really sure a counter is a bit of wood. A board, a plank, a panel. I don't know what would go with those 3, so we'll have to come back to it. A cabinet of curiosities. Oh, a council and a panel. Maybe those are synonyms. Maybe panel isn't going to go with plank and board. A cabinet, there's just a group of people, aren't they? And a board. That's worth a try. They're all groups of advisors. Right, so plank does not go with board and panel as bits of wood. It could be an exercise. It could go with crunch. I don't know enough about exercises to know what the others would be. Maybe drop and stud, but I'm not convinced by that. What else could crunch be? What could mountain climber be? It's got to be something that they use. They use poles? They use... what do they use? They use special shoes. There's going to be something that I'm missing that they use that 3 of the others also use. What instead? A fridge. That really doesn't feel like it's got too many other meanings. It's something you find in your kitchen. You have a kitchen counter, perhaps? I suppose a kitchen cabinet. That could have been a red herring, but that's gone now. What are we going to do instead? What about hoop? What can hoop be apart from a basketball hoop? Or, I suppose, a spaghetti hoop? Or some kind of hooped cereal? Or earring? Oh, a hoop and a stud. Those are both earrings then, aren't they? There ends my knowledge of earrings. None of the others look promising. I thought I was onto something there. But no. What to do? Arrange. I mean, we can put an O in front of it to make orange, but I don't think that works with any of the other clues. Arrange, a mountain range. I'm just thinking of that because we've got mountain climber, I suspect. Obviously it could mean variety, but none of the others mean variety. What else? What is sink going to be? It could mean to dip down, or it could just be part of your kitchen again. I suppose sink and fridge kind of go together in that respect. Kitchen sink, kitchen counter, kitchen fridge. I'm not liking the sound of this as a group. How about we try these 3 then? Because I suppose even a sink could be... I was going to say it could be some kind of exercise. I'm not convinced, but we have to go for something. It's not even 1 away, so it's not even drop, plank and crunch. I was thinking drop as in like the opposite of a pull-up or something, or a chin-up. And obviously plank and crunch are exercises, but that's not looking promising here. Captain Crunch is an American cereal. Hoops are obviously cereal related, but again, I don't know what the other 2 would be. What's a boat? Power boat? Motorboat? Boat something? I don't know. Chandeliers hang from the ceiling, so do hoops on a basketball court. I suppose planks technically dangle over the side of a boat. But I'm not sure a sink or a fridge or a counter dangles. I'm completely lost. I don't even know what is a sensible thing to guess. Chandelier is a song by Sia, but again, there's not 3 other songs. I don't think she had a song called Mountain Climber that I've never heard of. Oh dear. I do not know what to do. Cough drop. Drop bear. Drop in, drop by. Drop off. I mean, drop and sink, I suppose, could be synonyms, but clearly none of the other 2 are. Because it can't be plank and crunch, so it can't even be drop, sink and plank. Because I tried that group before and I was not one away. I do not know. Stud is the start of the word study. That doesn't help. Countertop. Oh, I do not know. Let's just try these 3 and 1 more just to see if there is a sort of kitchen group. They're all seen in a kitchen? A range is seen in a kitchen? I'm very confused by that group. But I did get it, so I can't complain too much. Now I've got 3 guesses to try and work out what these last 2 groups are. Mountain climber. There's a special word for their boots or for their equipment or something, isn't there? I cannot remember what it is, which is super annoying. I suppose it could be these 3. Let's try those 3. Maybe a plank, I don't know. Okay, that's not even 1 away, so it's 2 out of those. Let's try... What is a sensible thing to try instead? Let's keep these 2 together. It can't be drop or crunch, so it would have to be these 2. That's also not 1 away. Okay, so what I think we've learned is it's going to be stud or plank in one group, chandelier or mountain climber in one group, as in stud or plank go in different groups, chandelier and mountain climber go in different groups, drop and crunch go in different groups, and boat and hoop must therefore go in different groups if everything else is correct. I'm not convinced by this at all. Right, I said chandelier or mountain climber, so we'll go for chandelier. I said stud or plank. Let's go for stud. It could just be drop and hoop. They could all be types of earring. They are kinds of earring! I cannot believe I worked that out. Wow. And then what are these? They're all core exercises. I was trying to do exercises before. I've just never heard of boat or mountain climber. Wow. I don't know how I successfully solved that. Just 1 guess remaining. Or 1 life left. But, I mean, was that tricky, or did I just make a meal of it? Let me know in the comments how you got on if you attempted this, or if you were playing along. That is the Connections game, somehow. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.